In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy URL in Amazon app. We'll do this using a web browser on your phone or computer because it's the most consistent way to grab the exact profile link you can share anywhere, including from the app. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Starting from the Amazon homepage makes it easy to reach the right settings. Sign in to your Amazon account by selecting Sign In at the top right and entering your details. You need to be logged in for your profile link to appear. Once you're in, return to the home page, then look at the top navigation bar for Account and Lists and open it. On smaller screens, open the main menu to find Account and Lists. From the menu, choose Manage Profiles. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit until it appears. Under the section labeled Who's Shopping, select View next to your profile. This takes you straight into your profile area. You'll land on a page for your Amazon profile. Look for the option called Your Profile and open it so you can view your public-facing page. Now copy the link. In the browser's address bar at the top, you'll see the full URL for your Amazon profile. Highlight the entire address and copy it. You can right-click and choose copy or use a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, press Command+C. That's it. The link to your Amazon profile is now on your clipboard. Paste it wherever you need with right-click paste, Ctrl+V on Windows, or Command+V on Mac. To verify, open a new tab, paste the link, and check that your profile loads. You now have your Amazon profile URL ready to use. This method is quick and gives you a clean link for messages, emails, or forms. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Amazon tips and tutorials.